We decided to renovate an old Ford, auction it off and give the money to KostaAvgoustinos and back for SA Kids. After a long search and lots of driving around, we found this highly sought after 1992 Ford F250 truck with a V8.
A lot of our funding has dried up, a lot of our partners have dropped off.
The fact that an organisation like Stillwell Ford would come along to us and believe in what we're doing and know that they can make an impact with the money that they're going to raise and donate to us.
We here at Stillwell Ford are doing all the mechanical work on the truck. The engine is out and she's now at Rhino Crash, who are on board to do all of the body and paint. It's going to look great, but we need so much more help. We need partners in this venture to come out on this journey with us and feature in our YouTube videos telling the story. If you're a business that can help with parts, interior, tyres, engine parts, brakes, exhaust, electrical, please reach out to us at Stillwell Ford and tell us how you can get some money back to these charities that have had their donations slashed in the past year.
So that's the gas converter. Don't need that anymore.